The Rossignol FKS 120. This is a brand new binding on the market this year. The FKS 120 is going to be a binding that's going to have a din that goes from 4 to 12. Now it's a binding that's it's going to be a bit more affordable and positioned maybe for a possibly slightly less aggressive or a slightly lighter weight skier. Offers the same full-blown features of the FKS 140 and the FKS 180. The features are fixed AFD. It's a wide anti-friction device, so your boot sole contact is maximized, allowing for great edge pressure when you're doing transitioning from one turn to the other. It offers a roller as well as an interface on the upper radius of your ski boot and the sole of your boot, only binding that does that. It has what we call a 180-degree release, meaning that if you have a backward twisting fall or an unusual fall where you need the boot to release backwards, this toe piece is engineered to release in any direction needed, laterally or in any sort of vertical range as well. The heel piece, most exciting thing about the heel piece, its ability to hold you in and keep you in. All metal. When you land switch, it's going to be a binding that's not going to be blown apart in pieces. It's engineered with metal components. It's engineered to pivot in an axis point that's in direct line with your lower tibia. It's a binding that has the highest amount of elastic travel before you're going to release of any binding in the market. 25 millimeters of upward travel before you're actually going to come out. And then finally, it's the binding in the market that has the closest, where the heel piece is mounted relative to the toe, it's the closest position, which is going to allow the ski to have a much more natural flex. Can't say enough positive and strong things about the FKS series of bindings from Rossignol. It's evident if you watch any X Games, the Do Games, if you see any of the kids in the start gate, you're going to see them. You're going to see 70 to 80% of the athletes using this particular binding because of its legendary ability for retention and release.